Hey babes, welcome to my Vlogmas giveaway where 2 lucky winners will be winning $50 Amazon gift cards. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to my channel, I'm alerted when you do, and engage on all of my Vlogmas videos. The more you do, the more entries for you. Good luck! Alright guys, so I am here. This is the place I'm going in to get my brows done, so I will keep you guys updated on that. I'm just waiting on her to come to the door now, so yeah, y'all, stay tuned. So this is the brow mapping process, you guys, where she pretty much just measured my brows and drew on what it was going to look like to kind of map out how she was going to tattoo it. And I fell in love with this process. This is so cute. I love my brows already. And this is what they look like when I got home that night. They were super red, but they looked really, really cute. And I am still in love with them. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on what they look like for the days to come. Hopefully no peeling, but we shall see. What's up guys and welcome back. So I got my eyebrows micro shaded. This is what they look like. Y'all, they're so cute. Like, but I'm gonna go, let me freshen up a little bit because I look a mess right now, and then I'll come back. So give me a second. Good morning guys and welcome back. So it's day 2 for my brows. This is what they look like. I just woke up, so this is them. This is fresh. I'm just making the babies some breakfast right now, but this is what they look like. I'm gonna give you guys a more detailed tour. Just give me 1 second. Let me 1 second. I'll be right back. What's up guys, welcome back. So I was trying to vlog earlier today and I ended up getting busy. I had a lot of things to do today. I've been on the go all day today, but I finally got a second to like come on here and show you guys my my brows. So it's day 2 and this is what they look like so far. No y'all, I hate getting close to the camera with no makeup on, like, but if you can ignore that. So far, this is what they look like. So yeah, no peeling, no scabbing. This one is really giving. She said I had a lot of I had more muscle movement on this side of my face, like my right side of my face, as opposed to my left side. So I like them a lot. So yeah, this is what they look like. They've been like burning just a little bit today. Not much, not nothing like too crazy, just a little like inflammation. They're still a little red. They were really red earlier today, but I tried to capture it this morning for you guys to see. But yeah guys, so I'm very tired right now. I didn't get much sleep last night, so I'm sorry if my energy is just a little down. I'm just very tired. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here really quickly and show you guys day 2 of my brows. So yeah, stay tuned for day 3. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys. Okay, so I'm about to get ready to do my brow wash routine. So it's day 3. And my brow lady, she gave me this little like mesh packet, and in here is this little like cotton swab thing that I was using to pat my eyebrows whenever I was whenever my skin was like really oily. There's also a few cotton tips in here, like Q-tips, an ointment, and a cleanser, like a Neutrogena cleanser that I'm gonna use on my brows. So I'm gonna use that today, and then I also have this ointment that I just told you guys about that I'm gonna put on my brows afterwards. So let's do it. So first I'm gonna start by washing my hands. You know, I never touch my face with dirty hands ever, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so now we're gonna wash my brows. This is what they look like day 3. So they are at peak darkness right now. This is the darkest that they're gonna get, and then within like a couple more days they're gonna start to like fade away a little bit, and then they'll come back to like a more natural looking color. But they're really bold today. I look weird when I don't have on any makeup because it looks like I just like I have half a face done. But yeah, okay, so my nails are like too long, so I'm gonna just kind of scoop the bag. She said use a very, very light amount and gently rub in a circular motion. That's what I'm gonna do. And she said for 10 seconds, so I'm gonna do it for 10 seconds. Okay. And now I go in with water and just do the same thing, but to get the soap off. So now I'm just gonna gently pat them dry. Oh, I promise I'm not rubbing, guys. I'm just gently like getting that tissue off of my face. So now that they're dry, I'm gonna go ahead and put the ointment on. So I have this Andy ointment and a Q-tip, and I'm gonna lightly put this on. She said a very, very small amount, so something similar to a rice grain. All right, guys, so that is it. That was actually pretty easy. And this is what they look like day 3. So I will continue to keep you guys updated as I go along on this journey so that you guys can see how they're healing and how they're improving. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start getting ready for my day now. So I will see you guys later. Bye. What's up, guys? So it's day 3 of my brow I'm sorry, not day 3, it's day 4 of my brow journey. So this is what they look like. I just washed them for the day and moisturized them. It went very well, very easy. Same process I did yesterday, using the little Neutrogena cleanser on here, and then patting them completely dry, and then following up with the A&D ointment that she gave me. So yeah, so this is what they look like. They're still very, very cute. So far, no flaking or no scabbing at all. They're starting to look a little bit more ombre, a little bit more natural. They're not as dark as they were yesterday, which I like. I like it like naturally dark, but I see the process that it's going, and I feel like I don't have to wear no makeup. Like when I have my brows done like this, I don't have to wear any makeup. Like maybe just eyeliner and put on mascara, but that's it. So yeah, so this is what they look like. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated when I do my wash routine tonight, and yeah, I'll let you guys know how that goes. So yeah, I just wanted to check in, let you guys see what they look like, and I will see you guys later tonight. Bye.
So this was after I washed them. They were finally starting to look a lot more natural, and then eventually they started to peel just a little bit on the ends and fade in the front half of my brows, but nothing too major. And I think that they're just going to do their own thing, and they'll continue to look more natural. But yeah, you can see some of the pigment kind of fading out towards the end. And this is the next day. I did get like a little gash on the end, but it's completely normal. My brows didn't turn out to look amazing, and this is just a part of the normal process. But overall, I rate this process a 10 out of 10, and I love my brows.